Hey there, Dream Explorers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of lucid dreaming, where you become the master of your own dreams. First off, what is lucid dreaming? It's like this magical state where you're asleep, but you're aware that you're dreaming. You're the director, and your dream is your playground. Now, let's talk brain science. When you're in a lucid dream, certain parts of your brain light up, especially those linked to self-awareness and decision-making. It's your brain on dream mode. So, how do you have a lucid dream? Well, there are tricks. One popular method is reality checking. Throughout your day, ask yourself, am I dreaming? This habit might just carry over into your dreams, and suddenly, you'll realize, hey, I'm in a dream. Once you're lucid, the real fun begins, taking control of your dream. You can do pretty much anything your imagination can conjure up. Want to fly? No problem. Change the scenery? But lucid dreaming isn't just about fun and games. Some folks use it for self-improvement. You can practice skills, like playing a musical instrument, or even rehearse that big speech you're nervous about. Now, here's the thing. While lots of people report having lucid dreams, scientists are still digging into the depths of this phenomenon. It's a field of study that's evolving. If you're tech-savvy, there are devices like lucid dreaming masks or apps that can help you become lucid by detecting when you're in REM sleep and giving you cues during your dream. Lucid dreams often happen during REM sleep, which occurs several times during a typical night's sleep. Many lucid dreams occur in the later REM cycles, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't happen right away. Here's a cool part. Lucid dreaming isn't just about controlling events, but also your emotions. You can learn to stay calm even in the face of that terrifying dream dragon. So, there you have it, dream adventurers. Lucid dreaming is like having your own personal dream superpower. It takes practice, but it's an incredible journey into the world of your mind.